Hi, let's look at supply factors regarding real estate market analysis, economic characteristics.
Economic characteristics of real estate. Economic characteristic of real estate includes the relationship between supply, demand, and price. Real estate is slow to respond to change in supply and demand. Demand is driven by consumer preference. Supply is driven by availability. Supply. Supply in real estate is the amount of property available. Supply can be broken down into supply for various price points, location, and style. Supply factors. Many variables influence supply. Skilled labor to build and clear land, the availability of money to finance growth, how much land is available in the proposed area, and finally, whether building materials are readily available affects supply. The supply of housing depends on skilled labor, especially new housing, without which there would be little supply. Construction financing is often necessary to fund construction projects. Developers rely on financing to proceed from one construction stage to another. The availability of land affects supply. Availability can be affected by zoning, stability, water table, EPA regulations, and other factors. Building materials to build can be in good supply or in short supply. Availability of skilled labor. The supply of housing depends on skilled labor, especially new housing, without which there would be little supply. Building a home requires craftsmen for building, roofing, electrical, plumbing, drywall, finishing, etc. The more demand that there is for the skilled construction labor, the higher the cost of the labor. Increased cost of labor or a shortage of labor lowers the availability of housing. Availability of construction loans and financing. Construction financing is often necessary to fund construction projects. Most developers do not fund development projects with their own cash. Rather, developers rely on financing to proceed from one construction stage to another. The easier it is for a developer to get a loan, the more supply of housing that is created. Also, the lower the cost of the loan, the more supply that is created. Availability of land. The availability of land affects supply. Availability can be affected by zoning, stability, water table, EPA regulations, and other factors. These regulations may mean that although land is available, it may not be used to meet the increased demand. Other times, it is the existence of land or lack of land that causes a shortage in supply. Availability of materials. Building materials to build can be in good supply or in short supply. At times in our history, the lack of building materials caused an extended shortage in supply. This was the case in the 1970s through the 80s. This led to Chinese drywall being used, which later caused health issues for the occupants of the homes that they were installed in. The economics of purchasing, logistics, economy, shipping all play a part in material availability. Even hurricanes in Florida cause temporary shortages as building supplies are used by existing homes as storm barriers. Drywall. Be sure to look to your broker for guidance with disclosures to present to potential buyers to educate them about Chinese drywall. Although such a disclosure is not required by Florida real estate law, many brokers require it to be used to ensure that they can't later be sued for failure to inform the buyer about the existence of Chinese drywall in a home.